Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we'll be going over 3 main factors to help you get more views and potential subscribers to your YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get to the video. Okay guys, so like I said before, today we'll be going over 3 factors as well as some tips and tools in order for your videos to gain more views and potential subscribers as well. So starting out with factor number 1, which is our thumbnail, which can also be the most creative and fun way to express your video. So when we're creating our thumbnail, you have to keep in mind that you have to make it stand out from the rest of all the other videos out there. And it is okay to draw inspiration from other thumbnails, but don't forget to add your own personal preference and spice to make it yours. After all, you do want to entice the viewer to be persuaded to click on your video. So for example, if I was making a video on how to make a YouTube banner, I would make sure to add some personality to my thumbnail in order for it to stand out from the hundreds of tutorial videos there are already. But if you guys do not know how to make a thumbnail, comment below saying if I should make a tutorial video on how to make a clean, nice thumbnail for you guys. But don't forget, overall, add some personality to it, make it unique, make it yours. So that's it for factor number 1, on to factor number 2. Okay guys, so on to topic number 2, factor number 2, which is our title. And it's very important in the process of making our video because it basically defines and summarizes our video as a whole. So when we're making our title as well as our thumbnail, it has to give our viewer a little preview of what our video is about and what they can expect. So some key ingredients when making our title is following a range and making it specific, but at the same time making it broad. So what I mean about making it specific is that I mean that you want to give your video a title that only relates to your video topic. So for example, you don't want to name your video how to get more subscribers when your video is actually about how to make logos, or taking it to extreme and making it clickbait either, because that's not the way to go. So an example of a bad title would be how to make a YouTube banner easy in Photoshop in 2018 for free. There's already many things wrong with that title, and first off, it's just very long. What ends up happening is that your potential viewer or subscriber will have to type in word for word exactly that very long title, which isn't convenient for both of you. So you want to stray away from titles like that. So jumping into the other end of the spectrum, which is making it your title broad. And this basically gives leeway to your title to give your video a chance to appear in similar topics as your video topic, but not exactly the same structure. So for example, if you're making a video of how to make a YouTube banner, it can end up in videos, tutorial videos on graphic design. So it's not the same exact video, but it's in the same general topic. So a good example of this would be how to make a YouTube banner in Photoshop or Pixlr or Paint.net or whatever your preferred software is for your video tutorial. So these are my tips in order to get a good title out of your video so they have more chance of exposure and result in more views. So that's it for factor number 2, on to factor number 3. Okay guys, so on to our final topic, or factor number 3, which is using tags. So tags essentially will help you rank higher on the YouTube search results if done properly. That's why I consider it very important to add when you're uploading your videos. So for example, if I type in something short and simple such as shotcut tutorial on YouTube, you can see that my most popular video in my channel is ranking in the first 5, coming at 56,000 views, all because I learned how to tag properly. Taking it notice that ranking higher on YouTube with tags doesn't depend on the number of views your video has, which is kind of cool. So if you don't know what tags are or how to use them, I got you covered. Because if you can go down there to one of my videos, you can see that tag location is right underneath the description box. These are basically mini descriptors or keywords that can cross-reference with the most common YouTube searches about your topic and determine if your video shows up, even if the title is a little different. But as long as you do it properly, it should work. So if you don't know how to create tags, which can be very time consuming by the way, I got you covered in that too, because I have provided for you guys a link in the description underneath that like button to a website called RapidTags.io, which can generate instant tags pertaining to your video title. So if we go there, I can type in a random title and it generates me instant tags, which then you can copy and paste and put it in the tag location in your video. Now this is the free version, but there's also a pro version if you guys want to check it out for your own convenience. And I have a pro tip for you guys. You can actually put a different variation of your title, so a different version, so you can have a different variety of tags. But keep in notice that YouTube does have a number limit of tags you can use, and I do not recommend putting your tags in the description because that's actually a violation. So in summary, All of these factors play a huge role in making your video gain views, all the way from enticing the viewer to click on the video to the indecision if they subscribe or not. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed, because these were my 3 main factors, as well as some tools and tips to help you gain more views and subscribers in your YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe down there, and comment down below which one was your favorite factor. So this is pretty much it for me guys. See you on the next one.